Hey guys, welcome to TST Garage. I'm Bart, and in this episode I have a beautiful brand new 2024 and up Kawasaki Ninja 500 in the workshop. I will be discussing the several different options of Fender Eliminator that we offer for this bike. Currently there are 4 options, one of them being the very bare bones standard that replaces the fender without any additional closeout components. Then we have our standard Elite 1 that comes with the bracketry necessary for the remount of the license plate, as well as a closeout kit that will close the holes left behind by the removal of the fender. Then we have the Elite 1 adjustable that also builds on the closeout but gives you the added functionality of angle adjustment for your license plate hanging. And then we have our low mount that comes with the closeout that replaces the fender in its mounting position and mounts your license plate deep under the seat. That may not be for everyone. Please make sure that in your jurisdiction these things are allowed. Otherwise it'll be for show bike and off-road use only. All right, we're gonna run through all the different types of these setups on the bike for you so that you can make your selection with educated information. Our simplest standard Fender Eliminator is mounted to the bike now. As you can see, it does leave behind this feature from the sub tray. It does not require the cutting off of this feature, and it does not have any means of closing that off. So you will have a hole remaining here that can lead debris and water up to the top and subsequently downstream here into the battery box. If that's not a concern, good to go. This is the least expensive and simplest to install part. If you require a closeout, that will be accomplished in our Elite 1 kits. Our Elite 1 high mount Fender Eliminator comes in 2 sub variants. Here you see our Elite 1 standard. This is comprised of the undertail closeout kit along with a laser cut stainless steel bracket that's been powder coated, bent, and it's a simple solution to hanging your license plate, but it doesn't give you any more bells and whistles beyond that. The Elite 1 adjustable variant of this Fender Eliminator also comes with the closeout. However, the license plate bracket portion is adjustable. You can crack these hinge points loose and make the adjustment to your liking so you can hang your license plate at any angle you want within a reasonable range. The materials are slightly nicer too. This is anodized aluminum. It's been CNC machined and screwed together using stainless screws. The closeout itself accomplishes closing out the holes left behind by the removal of the fender and keeps the inside of your trunk clean and safe. Our Elite 1 low mount Fender Eliminator that you see here on this bike enables you to mount your license plate in this location in the following 2 configurations, lower and higher. It does provide a little bit of adjustability here in this system, but the adjustment is mainly for the purpose of keeping the license plate safe from impact with tire and hugger during travel of suspension. Now the rear area here is closed out with our undertail closeout. It does close up all of the holes left behind by the removal of the fender. It's cosmetically pleasing, congruent with the lines of the bike, and it keeps the inside of the bike safe and clean.